Hi, we need to determine whether these pairs of lines are perpendicular. Let's start with number 1. And the first of the pair, we have 3x at y at 2 is equal to 0. We'll rearrange these in the form y is equal to mx at c. So we have y is equal to minus 3x minus 2. The gradient is the coefficient of x. We'll call this gradient m1. So it's negative 3 for the first equation. Let's write it here as m is equal to negative 3. The second equation we have what? X at 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Yeah, 3y is equal to minus x at 6, so y is equal to minus a third x at 2. Now the gradient here, this is m1, the gradient here, m2, is equal to minus a third. Now the perpendicular condition, or perpendicularity condition, states that the product m1 times m2 must be equal to negative 1. Let's check and see. We have negative 3 times negative a third, that gives us 1. So this indicates that the first pair of equations representing lines are not perpendicular to each other. Let's have a look at number 2. We'll rearrange again as before. So we have y is equal to minus 2x minus 1 for this one. So our gradient m1 is equal to minus 2. And here we have 2y is equal to x at 4, so y is equal to a half x at 2. Our gradient here, m2, is equal to a half. The perpendicularity condition states that m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1. Let's see what it turns out to be. Minus 2 times a half, that gives us minus 1. So we know that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. See you on the next one.